Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to download Fortnite on Android device. So for installing or downloading the Fortnite guys, firstly you have to install the Epic Games from the browser. So this is a website by the way for Epic Games. So all you guys have to do is install the Epic Store from here. I've already installed this and then tap to Epic Games. So as you guys see, we have Fortnite on the very top. So just tap on the Fortnite here and then tap to install. Okay, so as you guys see, the Fortnite is now installed. Tap to install option again and the app is installed now. Let's tap to done and go back to homes. Let's see, and yes, the Fortnite is now installed in my device. So that's how guys we can install the Fortnite in any Android device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.